This is iPhone 16e. With our latest generation Apple Silicon, breakthrough battery life, an incredible high-resolution 2-in-1 camera system, and the powerful features of iOS 18, all in a durable and beautiful design.
So that's iPhone 16e, made for everyday life with the features you need. It has a durable and beautiful design, the latest generation A18 chip, Apple Intelligence, an advanced 2-in-1 camera system, and breakthrough battery life enabled by the power efficiency of C1. iPhone 16e starts at just $599. With trade-in and offers from our carrier partners, iPhone 16e becomes even more affordable. You can pre-order iPhone 16e starting this Friday, and it will be available on February 28th. Today, iPhone 16e completes the iPhone 16 lineup. It joins as the most affordable member of the family.